How did I come to enjoy gardening and have a love for plants? I think that youth is the foundation of who we are and what we're about, and certainly my life began at a very early age in gardening. My dad liked to keep the boys busy, and he always had a job, and we had a list to do after school, and it always involved doing something with plants. So right from the beginning, it was collections of plants and being involved in showing plants or eventually selling plants. And so I've just always been involved with them. And once I started collecting, the first collection I had, I guess, was African violets, and they had been popular with my grandmother, and so I was interested in them, and it kind of went from there. I'm still collecting.